All right, we have an iPhone 6 Plus. Oh my god. I think it's gonna take me longer to remove this case than replace. Oh my god. Replace this crank. What? What am I doing wrong here? What the heck? What? My guy. Wow. That's kind of stuff, dude. It's like a two-way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I deserve a little star. See, ooh, look at that. Easy peasy. Alright, so we're doing the screen replacement for a 6 Plus. This one I have to remove the back plate too, so it's probably gonna take me longer than usual. This is not for a trade-in. I recommended a new battery, but my customer didn't want to go ahead and do it, which is fine. She says that she doesn't notice any drop on performance, so we're good. No problem on that. Alright, so we're gonna do, where is, I need, oopsie. This, let's go, baby. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, doo-doo-doo-doo. There we go. Then we're gonna use the power of the finger. Go like this. Oh, that's not the one. Go like this. Okay. Alright. 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 Feels good when I see some devices that, you know, being on market for a long time, and we're doing a screen replacement. Yeah, this battery has never been replaced. Huh. Well, I'm glad that she's happy with it. So I was saying that I'm glad that, you know, people do repairs, not because they keep me in business, but because it's better for the environment. I mean, you got the right to repair, you got the right to do a screen replacement, battery replacement. I mean, it's supposed to be your device, and unfortunately what we see nowadays on the market is a lot of devices needing an upgrade every single year. People look for the newest device in general, and nothing wrong with that, but yeah, you could be doing a difference, making a difference, repairing your device more often instead of buying a new one. You know, everything that, the little things that you can do to keep this planet sustainable can be something you can do, you know. It's not about getting the newest all the time, you know. I mean, this device, she did a good job with this this device. The screen has never been replaced. It's the first time after so many years that she managed to drop it and break it. So what we're doing is just heating up the screen, so all these components can be easily removed. I remember the first time that I replaced the screen for an iPhone 6 Plus. My God, it took me forever. It was the first time too that Apple went for a bigger size screen. Everybody were crazy about the pluses, you know. Oh, the iPhone 6 Plus. This is the one. This is the one that changed the game for Apple, at least on the size. Talking about size. All right, we're almost done here. Oops, oopsie. All right, we got 3 more screws on the top. You know, nowadays with all the different, well, I mean, not all of the different sizes, because, for example, you know, the iPhone 10 is 5.8. Then you got the iPhone 10R 6.1. And then you have the iPhone 10s Max. And I refuse to say X. You know, for me, that's 10. For me, that's 10R. And for me, that is 10s Max. So you're talking about 5.7, 6.1, 6.5. Those are the sizes that we have. And no home buttons anymore. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. But everything is started with this iPhone right here. iPhone 6 Plus is the one that changed or introduced Apple to the bigger screen size market. One of the way for competitors, Apple's competitors, to attack them. Samsung was always talking about, oh, the iPhone is small screen. You know, the iPhone 5s and the iPhone 5C, you know, and when the iPhone 6 and the 6s, ooh, disable. Such as the screen was not working, was completely damaged. So most likely the touch screen was going crazy. Oh, was forgetting this. Protect the shield. So all right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Delicious. Deliciousness. All right. All right. So we are done. The after. The before, the after. Before, after. Pretty good. Thanks for watching. I'm out.